Hi there, it's Chris here from selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this Product Finder review. Now, what we're going to do today is take a look at Product Finder, show you what it can do for you. If you're getting into e-commerce, this is going to be an invaluable tool. It's going to help you research products, research niches, give you the best prices. It's going to help you find products so you can cut out your research of products, like completely out. They've done all the research for you. So anyone who's in ecom or getting started with ecom, you know that setting up the actual shop, that's the easy part. And then you've got the more difficult parts like targeting on Facebook and then doing that research to see what is a profitable niche, what products are gonna sell, what are gonna work. It's the researching that takes actually the longest time. The shop part is easy. It's easy to set up a shop. So what Product Finder is gonna do is take out that big chunk of the work so you can just get right ahead and get started selling products. You can see on your screen right now basically what it does. Finds the best products for you to sell, gives you the target market, even the best price, so you're not just stumbling around in the dark. No setup involved, gives you the product, text and images, everything you need, so you can just import products into your store with a single click. Nothing to install, nothing to figure out. No writing. So no need to write ads, product descriptions or anything like that. It's just a straight import and no risk. Products and ads have been manually picked and rigorously tested. They are proven to generate results and profits. So you're getting this massive tool that is taking the guesswork out, the biggest chunk of the guesswork for anybody who's doing e-com, selling things, drop shipping, things like that. So we're gonna take a deep dive. Check it out, check out a demo today, and as well as that, I've gotten you some really cool bonuses on offer. Before we get into that though, it would really help me out if you dropped a like on this video, hit subscribe and turn on that bell notification. If you want to jump ahead at any moment in this video, simply click that link in the description so you get access to those bonuses I just talked about. You'll go to my bonus page from that link, which looks like this. You have legal stuff at the top, my contact details if you have any problems. And the way it works is my bonus page is integrated with the Product Finder vendor sales page. So if you click on these green buttons, that will essentially lock in your bonuses so that when you go off and purchase Product Finder, you'll get Product Finder and my bonuses sent to you in one big bundle ready for you to access immediately. Now the first bonus I've gotten for you is called Find Your Niche. This is gonna help you understand niches more. I just thought I'd throw it in there because people make mistakes on step one. Finding your niche is always step one, whether it's affiliate marketing or e-com. And I just don't want you to make a mistake on the first step, because then you start walking down a road all the way that way and you get really, really far and you gotta come all the way back to step one. So really what this product does is help you take step one with a lot more knowledge in your head. Bonus number two I've gotten for you is called Internet Business Models. Now this is a huge product that gives you more training, especially on e-commerce. So some great modules in here are product launch secrets and a great advertising model for you to follow, how to build profits using e-commerce. There's also a really cool bit on high ticket program selling, so a really good product that's going to go hand in hand with the Product Finder training. The next bonus I've gotten for you is called Amazon Affiliate Products. So this is a huge product and you're gonna get a lot of info out of this, not just with Amazon products, but with any kind of affiliate marketing. But this product in particular goes into Amazon.com, how to make money with Amazon and as affiliate, picking a hot Amazon niche, why Amazon marketing is a great choice, hottest products, creating product-oriented content, setting up your account and all that kind of stuff, building an Amazon empire. A lot of people are making millions of dollars just through Amazon. Even though, you know, at a glance they do have low affiliate commission percentages, but they do have the most products. So it kind of balances out. So a really good product there that you can learn a lot about with the biggest affiliate network in the world, which is Amazon. The next bonus I've gotten for you is a two-part bonus and just really some classic products on drop shipping. So if you're really new, these are gonna help you a lot. So Dropshipping Simplified, Beginner's Guide to Making Money Dropshipping, and Dropshipping Speed Bumps, How to Overcome Common Mistakes. Now, with basic products like this, I always go back to them because really they teach you the fundamentals, and sometimes you can get caught up in tips and tricks related to like nuance, like marketing strategies, and it's like, at the end of the day, your foundations are what is important. You got to know how to research, you got to know how to market, you got to know how to set up your product, you got to know how to put your product, promote it, put it in front of the right people, PPP. So this has all that in there. The final bonus I've gotten for you is a 2-part bonus again. So when you build up your store, you build up your niche store, maybe you're running ads, maybe you're relying on organic traffic. Whatever the case, I've gotten you boost website traffic. So you're not just building a site and just building a store, and just waiting for traffic to come. This is going to help you increase your traffic, not only through SEO, but also through social media, forums, and just a whole range of places where you can, build your audience from. The second part is email marketing success. So this is going to help you capture that audience so that you can resell to them. They say the money's made in the list. It's a great quote. They're not lying. Money is made in the list. So this is going to help you manage an email list. That enables you to contact your audience on your terms, which is invaluable. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step 1. Click the link in the description. You'll go through to the bonus page. Click on these green buttons that will send you off to the vendor sales page. That looks like this. I would recommend going through it in your own time, since it is there is a lot on here, and we'll be here all day if we go through it right now. But check it out and see what's on offer there. If you do decide to purchase, you will be sent a digital receipt, and that will look like this because it is a JVZoo product. Under the green button will be the platform, Product Finder, and under the blue button will be all those bonuses I just talked about, so easy peasy. I will say one thing, that keep your eye on this countdown timer, because this is a launch week special, so that when this hits 0, any discount pricing you get exclusively through my link, and all the bonuses, they'll no longer be available. So basically, the sooner you get in, the more you get for the least price. So don't hesitate too long. Really get in on this. It's a massive bundle, a lot of value. So right now we're going to get into a demo with Jared, who is one of the developers behind Product Finder. He's going to take you through it, show you what to expect. So let's check it out.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Product Finder. Now, I'm going to show you why this tool is so great for people who are in e-commerce and drop shipping, because if you're in the space, you understand that what products you sell is the most important aspect of your business. Now, when you get into e-commerce and drop shipping, there's so many different products out there you can sell. There's a lot of different spy tools. You can look on Amazon, you can look on AliExpress. But what we've done is we've made a syndicate of all the spy tools, and every single day we add new products to this catalog. So you can see here there's 1,304 products on here now. If you look tomorrow, there'll be about 1,305 or 6. We're adding 1 to 2 per day. You can sort by newest, oldest, and if it has an available video for you to market with. You can go by category, when we added it, and by margin. So let's just jump into a product so you can see why it's so powerful. Not only are we giving you products to sell, we're giving you a ton of assets as well. So let's take a look at this product. Here you can add it or remove it to your saved product list that you can find in your menu right here. So when you like a product, you could save it. So we'll go ahead and save that product. We give you a description that you can use in your store. We tell you how much the product costs, what we suggest you should sell it for, and you, of course, can change this if you want to, and then what your profit margin is. Now, here with just the click of a button, you can download all these images to use for your store, and you can even add your own store's watermark to the images so you get the custom experience on your store. Here we're going to show you where you can buy the product from, where you can source it from. So here we have a link to a trusted supplier on AliExpress. You can see here. And we also have a link to another store that is selling the product. So it's cool. You can see what they're doing. So we have this store here. Kind of just show you how they're selling it, the bundles, the upsells, and this is a successful store selling this product. Aside from that, we also give you a link to a Facebook ad so you can see how people are advertising the products. You see this person's using this video here. And there's 2,000 likes, 207 comments. Great. Now, we have a toolkit of other products for people to use if they need help. The cool thing here is that we give them a power score of each product. And that consists of the number of orders, how potentially viral this product is, based on engagement and the estimated number of stores selling it. So this product here is a 10 out of 10 power score. Here, you can import reviews right from AliExpress to your store. We're giving you profit margins, engagement. We're giving you targeting details. So, of course you want to target more audiences, but we give you a good place to start. We're even giving you a video you can use to advertise with. So you can see here, give you this 40-second video. And that makes it really easy. So you can just download this video. You can even create a custom video using your own branding. Aside from that, guys, it's really cool because, like I said, there's 1,300 products to choose from, so you never fall short of something to sell. Let's go ahead and do this avocado saver real quick. Cost you less than $3. You should sell it for about $13 with a $10 profit margin. Go ahead and save this. Download images, add watermark, AliExpress store, Facebook ad. This one's about a 7 out of 10 power score. Let's go to our saved products. And these are all the products we've saved recently that we want to start testing. So, guys, I hope you enjoy EH Product Finder. It's going to be extremely valuable to your list of people that are in e-commerce. This is a tool that's going to get people started fast and no hesitation to get started. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm excited to work together.
All right, thanks for sticking around through that demo. Now, just before we close out, let's take a look at the pricing, what is on offer. Again, in my bonus page, you can find out about EH Product Finder. The front end is $27 if you're in early, and it will go up to $47. And the unlimited option, which gives you even more products every day, we'll find over 7 products a day that are tried and tested and ready to sell. And to help keep information overload to a minimum, we only give access to 3, except with unlimited. So you'll get access to all the products that they're recommending and they've tested and they're sending to you that you can just go on and sell. All the guesswork is out. The more you get, this is really just gonna make you money. Yeah. This is what, when I was doing ecom, this is exactly what I wanted. Let's put it that way. Really, just I wanted someone to do all the work for me, and I just really wanted to do whatever, fulfillment and working on the business. So the next upsell or one-time offer is testing and scaling. So let the software do the testing and scaling for you. With this software, you'll be able to have our amazing testing and scaling tracking tool that will let you know which ads are working and how to scale them. This is another big question I had. It's one you're definitely going to have if you're not having it already. How do you scale? When do you know to cut ads off? When do you know to throw more money into ads? That's invaluable. If you can get some good training from some people who have had experience with that, completely invaluable training there. The next one is EH Personal Training. So that's 4 weeks of personal training for $97 from Jared, who you just saw on the video there, and his partners on exactly how to create the fastest growing Shopify store and continues to find winning products, scales multiple stores in any niche. So these guys know what they're doing. For $97, for someone to train you personally over 4 weeks, that's a month. For $100, getting someone one-on-one. How much was your university and how much did that cost you? $100 for 4 weeks of one-on-one training is super cheap. That should be illegal. I don't know what they're thinking. That should be $5.97. When you can take into consideration this is going to immediately make money. Okay? Personal training for $100. That's pretty good. So yeah, when you take into consideration what you're getting, you do only need the front end $27 option if you want access to all the bonuses. I will say that. So for $27, all those bonuses, the product itself is amazing. Really, there's not a lot to lose here. There's a full money back guarantee. So I recommend getting in as soon as you can. If you do have any questions, hit me up in the comments, email, social media is fine as well. I do reply to absolutely everybody. I check everything multiple times a day. So no problems there. If you have any troubles, really don't hesitate to get in touch. If not, no problem. Enjoy EH Product Finder. Hope you love the bonuses, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Enjoy. Take care.